You under fire?
I don't think so. But honestly, I'm not quite sure right now.
Well, I'm coming towards you. Coming to help us take.
If we can hold this, we got it as long as we hold this here in a second. Second, this goes solid as long as they're not. As long as they're not taking A.
Are you serious? Medic, medic, medic. There's two down the hall on the left side.
Yeah, I got shot.
Go. Medic, 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 medic. No, okay.
Yeah, a lot of medics don't revive.
Yeah, see. They're not the team player like me. You know, I was out there, you know, helping them and stuff, but, you know, it's not good.
So
it's
I'm thinking, since we know where they're all sitting at, I'm just gonna go up behind them and.
Yeah, they're all at B. Oh, there's a tank. There's a tank. There's a tank. There's a tank.
Why would it not let me shoot? It like takes a second after you throw a grenade to allow you to shoot. Very frustrating.
Oh, I'm behind. Oh, dude, I got like one. They're all over that building.
Yeah.